Hi, hello everyone. I am G. Chanitham, grade 7. Now, I am going to say about temple towns and pilgrimage centers. Temple towns represent the very unique and important pattern of urbanization. Urbanization is the process of how towns or cities develop. In the ancient days, temples were the major junction for trade, commerce, economy, and social. Due to this reason, many people who came to these temples made donations and helped the temple to develop. Because of these donations, many people of the temples like the priests, craftspersons and traders started to build houses around the temples, which caused the development of the temple towns. Tanjavur is the best example for the temple towns. Other important temple towns were the Kanchipuram and Madurai in Tamil Nadu and Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. And some of the ancient temple towns were Bilaswamin in Madhya Pradesh and Somnath in Gujarat. Pilgrimage centers are the places where the devotees of different backgrounds came to worship their deities. Because of these devotees settling there, the pilgrimage centers developed into townships. Some of the main townships which emerged from these pilgrimage centers are Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh and Tiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu. The devotees or the people who went to these pilgrimage centers are called pilgrims. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, a famous Sufi saint, settled in Ajmer and attracted devotees from all different creeds like the Hindus and the Muslims. Near Ajmer is a lake called Pushkar which attracted pilgrims from the ancient times. This is all about temple towns and pilgrimage centers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to everyone. I am Pragati from grade 8. I am here to explaining air pollution. Air pollution is a contamination of air due to the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings, or causes damage to the climate or to materials. There are many different types of air pollution, such as gases, particulates, and biological molecules. There are three main causes of air pollution. The main causes of air pollution can be categorized by sources: mobile, cars, buses, planes, trucks, and trains, stationary power plants, oil refineries, industry facilities and factories area, agriculture areas, cities, and wood burning fireplaces, natural wind blow dash, wild fires and volcanoes. Reducing pollution in the air is important for human health and the environment. Food air quality has harmful effects on human health, particularly the respiratory and cardiovascular system. Pollutants can also damage plants and buildings, and smoke or dust can reduce. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Shashank Reddy from grade 8. Today I am going to say about air pollution. Air pollution is an air due to the presence of substances in the atmosphere and harmful to health, humans and other living things. or causes damage to the climate or to there are many different type of air pollution such as carbon monoxide etc. Air pollution can be causes disease and death the humans. It can also harm to other living organisms such as animals and food crops and many damages in the natural environment. For example, climate change, ozone layer depletion, acid, both human activities and natural process can be gen- regenerate in air pollution. Air pollution is a significant risk factors from the number of pollution related diseases linked to especially in the health disease COPD, stroke and lung cancer. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Saini of Grade 7 and today I am going to say few sentences about temples and pilgrims. Temples and pilgrims are mainly used to the main purpose of temples and pilgrims are the kings where kings were used to live, and the temples and pilgrims once upon a time they were the houses of the kings and kings kings and queens, and uh, they used to build big because of their they have to show their power by the they used to show their power by these temples and pilgrims. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Snigdha from grade 8. Now I am saying about air pollution. When air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have harmful effects on both the non-living things and the living things, known as air pollution. Causes of air pollution: smoke of wildlife, burning of fossil fuels, vehicles, liquid chemicals, and smoking. Prevention of air pollution: usage of public transportation, avoiding the burning of garbage and smoking, avoiding the use firecrackers. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Saini of Grade 7 and today I am going to say few sentences about sandy soil. Sandy soils are often known as light soils due to their high proportion of sand and little light clay. Clay weighs more than soil. These soil have quick water drainage and are easy to work with. And the properties of sandy soil or the sandy soil are often considered as soils with physical properties easy to define. Weak structure or no structure, poor water renewability properties, high permeability, highly sensitive to competition with many adverse consequences. This is all about the sandy soil, which was I know. Thank you.
I'm from grade 8. Now I'm here to tell about short note on air pollution first. What is air pollution? Air pollution is a contamination of air due to presence of substance in the atmosphere, and it is harmful to the health of human beings or non-living things, or cause damage to the climate or to materials. Causes of air pollution: burning of fossil fuel, wildfires, industrial emission, microbial decaying process, transportation, indoor air pollution. Prevention of air pollution: no to plastic bags, reuse and recycle, implementing afforestation, switch off lights when not in use, reduction of smoking and forest fires, using public transport. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Manogam from grade 8. Today I am going to say definition of air pollution, causes and prevention of air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is a type of pollution which is caused by releasing harmful gases to the environment. Causes of air pollution: crackers, transports, burning of fossil fuels, open garbage waste, open burning of garbage waste, prevention of pollution, avoid usage of transport, avoid usage of private transport, use public transport, use fire process, avoid usage of crackers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to everyone. I am Krishna Teja from grade 8. Today I am going to explain about air pollution. Air pollution is caused in process like burning of fossil fuel release certain gases and chemicals into the air that have harmful or poisonous effects. Air pollutants. The substances which contaminate air are called air pollutants. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide. These are emitted directly into the air from fossil fuel. Burning of plastics causes very dangerous gas, so avoid burning of plastics. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Soumya. Now I am gonna say about who are Adivasis. Adivasis. The term literally means original inhabitants or communities who lived and often continue to live in close association with forests. Around 8% of India's population is Adivasi, and many of India's most important mining and industrial centers are located in Adivasi areas like Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro and Bhilai among others. Adivasis are not a homogeneous population. There are over 500 different Adivasi groups in India. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Emmy Angel. I am studying in grade 7. Now I am going to explain what is electricity, closed and open circuit and electric fuse. Electricity. When current is passed through a conductor is called electricity, closed and open circuit. When switch is in on position, the circuit is called closed circuit. When switch is in off position, the circuit is called open circuit. Electric fuse. To protect electrical installations in our home, houses or buildings, we use safety device is called electric fuse. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ramcharan. Now I am going to say yesterday trip Wonderla. When I went to Wonderla, it is so beautiful outside so beautiful and so exhausted. I shocked a lot of. When I went inside, I saw all the things. It is so good. Inside also so beautiful. I went all rides and some rides I didn't went, and it is so beautiful and it is so nice also. And last ride I went and it is so beautiful place. It is so beautiful place in memorable also. It is so beautiful and memorable. Last place I went, last place it is space galaxy. And thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Tejashna from grade 7. Now I am here to say 30 elements. Helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, palladium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. These are the 30 elements. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Apeksha from grade 7. Now I am going to explain you about triangle. Triangle is a closed figure with 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 line segments. There are 2 types of triangles, based on sides and based on angles. Based on angles, equilateral triangle. When 3 sides are equal, it is known as equilateral triangle. When 2 sides are equal, it is known as isosceles triangle. When am Netra of grade 7. Now I am here to say about a place Machilipatnam. The town Machilipatnam or Machilipatnam is known as Fish Port Town. It lays on the delta of Krishna River. In the 17th century, it is known as intense activity. It is built by Dutch and Indian East Companies and they attempted to control the Machilipatnam, as Machilipatnam became the most important port of Andhra coast, and this Machilipatnam is built by Dutch. Thank you.
Today I am going to say some formulas. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Second one, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Fourth one, a power m into b power m is equal to a power a into b whole m is equal to a b whole m. Fifth one, a power m divided by b power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Sixth one, a power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, I am Nikhil Kumar of grade 7. Now I am going to say about extra trip Wonderla. I went yesterday Wonderla. I so excited to go Wonderla. I saw entrance and I shocked a lot. I went inside. I played first giant wheel. It's so good and so fearing. Next I went to dinosaur. It was so good. We played after when again we eat and we went to water games. It was so good. And last we went to Galaxy. It was very memorable and good. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Karthik Reddy of grade 7. Today I am saying about English questions. First one, name some stick and ball games that we necessarily on head of. Answer. Some stick and ball games that I know of include hockey, volleyball, basketball, baseball, cricket and polo. Second one, there is a piece to called reason behind both the objects. The present good paragraph, find two words purchase that means the same of objects. Answer. The two words purchase that means the same as auditors or reputations and carriers charges. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sahana from grade 6. Now I am going to do a video on types of angles. The space between two intersecting lines or suffixes or close to the point where they meet is known as angle. Types of angles: acute angle less than 90 degrees is known as acute angle. Right angle exactly 90 degrees is known as right angle. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Straight angle exactly 180 degrees is known as straight angle. Reflex angle greater than 180 degree is known as reflex angle. Complete angle exactly 360 degrees is known as complete angle. Thank you.